Imagine if your email inbox organizes itself and that your email list aren't sorted by the date anymore, but organized by your own custom workflows. For the past 20 years, email has not changed at all. It is not fun or creative, and it is still the never-ending list of emails until Notion Mail. What Notion is doing is they're taking email and breaking it down to its core building blocks, and then instead of building tools on top of email, they're using these blocks to build tools within email. So with Notion Mail, it's not just an email anymore, but a database entry where you can actually show or hide the name, email, subject line, or date property of your emails. And just like a normal Notion database, you can also create an email view where it is filtered to only show, for example, customer support emails or receipts and invoices, or even recruiting emails grouped according to the status of the applicants, like they showed in the demo. And with the help of the Notion AI, all of these emails will automatically be tagged and organized into these workflows, so you don't ever have to manually label emails again. And the Notion AI can also reply and write email drafts using information from your connected Notion workspace, and can also create schedule buttons, which is connected to your Notion calendar, where people can book a call with you. And writing emails will also be a lot more fun because it will work just like a normal Notion page, where you can use the / command to create headings, quotes, callout boxes, buttons, and all the other familiar Notion blocks. And Notion Mail will also have its own email templates, which you can just plug and play to create your own Notion Mail workflows. And something I've not heard anyone talk about, but what I'm hoping to see inside of Notion Mail is that you can directly turn your emails into tasks for your task database. Because your emails are essentially just a public to-do list, it is other people's tasks, so it would be nice to directly turn them into tasks for your project and task manager in Notion. Though, we'll have to wait and see early next year. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited for Notion Mail. I think going through my emails will actually be fun, but let me know what you think about Notion Mail in the comments below. And while you're down there, make sure to give this video a like and check out this next video if you want to learn everything about the new Notion Forms update.